Our motto: determine the line current for the three-phase system. Okay, line current means IA, IB and IC. Okay, how can solve this type of problem? First of all, neutral is not present. That's why we have considered if you I1 and here I2. I1 this is equal to IA, clear? I1 this is equal to IA, clear? Why? If any doubt, then that is branch current and that is loop current. No any loop current here, so I1 this is equal to IA. Now this is branch current IB, loop current I1 like this one, I2 loop current like this one, I2 here, I1 here. So IB is written as I2 minus I1, clear? So IB is written as I2 minus I1. Now what about IC? I2 is opposite to the IC like this one, and I2 here. So IC is written as minus I2, clear? So IC this is equal to minus I2, clear? If you face any doubt, then tell me, sir, I face the doubt corresponding to this one. Okay, now our next target is determine Z1, Z2, Z3 in the terms of polar form. J50, and what about Z2? That is Z1, that is Z3, and that is Z2. Z2 is 20 plus J30, and Z3 that is 60 minus J40. Ohm, this one also ohm, and this is also in ohm. Okay, now next target is our motto: determine clear, Z1, Z2, Z3. Now our next target, how can determine corresponding to V of A? First of all, IAN, VN and CN are given. This is question number 57. First of all, this is question number 57. Okay, now so if apply KVL in this loop, okay, so first of all this one are removing, okay, IA, IB and IC here, minus to plus, minus V of AN plus 40 plus J50 into IA, okay, plus minus direction of correspond this one. Okay, now minus 20 plus 30 IB plus VBN, this is equal to 0, clear? So our motto: determine IA and IB in the terms of I1, I2. That is 40 plus J 50, this is I1, minus 20 plus J30, that is J30 into I1 minus I2, sorry, this is I2 minus I1, I2 minus I1 plus this is equal to V of AN, that is 110 at the angle 0, minus V of BN, VN is 110 at the angle minus 120. Okay, so 80 plus J50 plus 20 plus J30, that is I1, minus 20 plus J30 in I2, this is equal to 0. So not 110 at the angle 0 minus 110 at the angle minus 120. Okay, so 110 at the 110 at the angle 0 minus 110 at the angle minus 120. Finally we got that is 19.52 at the angle plus 30. Okay, 80 plus 20, that is 100 plus j 80 into I1 minus 20 plus j 30 into I2. This will be equal to like this one. Clear? Now apply KVL on this loop. Minus to plus, minus VBN, better to VBN is 110 at the angle minus 120 plus 20 plus j 30 into IB plus corresponding to minus to plus. So this is minus 60 minus j 40 into IC plus VCN. This will be equal to 0. Okay. And what about VCN? VCN is 110 at the angle plus 120. This will be equal to 0. Now 20 plus j 30 IB is I2 minus I1 minus 60 minus j 40. What about IC? That is minus I2. This will be equal to 110 at the angle minus 120 minus 120 plus 120. Now (20 plus j 30) minus minus plus 60 minus j 40 into I2. Okay, and minus of 20 plus j 30 into I1. This will be equal to 110 at the angle minus 120 minus 110 at the angle 120. This will be equal to 190.52 at the angle minus 90. Okay. Now 20 plus 60, that is 80, minus j 10 into I1. 20 plus j 30 into this is I1, this is I2. That is equation number 2, and that is equation number 1 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. How can solve? Now if I1 is equal to put here 165 plus j 95.263 okay, plus 20 plus j 30 into I2 whole divided by 100 plus j 80. Okay. First of all, if all converted into polar form 165 plus 95.263 j, if converted, that is 19.52 at the angle 30 degree plus 20 plus 30j. If this one is converted, then we got 36.05 at the angle 56.3. This is I2, and divide by 100 plus j 80j. If this one is converted, then it's 128.06 at the angle 38.65. Okay, now that is I1, this is I1. Now here, put here, so 80 minus j10 80 minus 10i, if this one is converted, then we got 80.62 I2, sorry, at the angle minus 7.12 I2. Okay, plus 20 plus 30i, if this one is converted, 36.05 at the angle, this value is same as this value, so at the angle 56.3, okay, into I1, this is equal to 190.52 at the angle minus 90 degree. Clear? Now I1, okay, if this I1 put here, then we got 80 at the angle 62 at the minus 7.12 is 7.12. 80 minus 10j, if this one is converted, we got 7 point clear. Okay, right. Now this value and I2 here 190.52 at the angle 30 degree plus 36.05 at the angle 56.3 into I2 divided by 128.06 at the angle 38.65 minus 36.05 at the angle 56. This value put here, so 36.05 at the angle 56.3, okay, minus of this one into I1 put here, after that is 80.62 at the angle minus 7.12 into I2, this is equal to 190.52 at the angle minus 90 degree. Clear? Now our next target, this division by this one 36.05 at the angle 190.56.3 divided by 128.06 at the angle 38.65. okay, so finally we got minus of 0.281 at the angle 17865. okay, after solving this one and this one, we got this one. Now 19052 at the angle 30 degree plus 36.05 at the angle 56.3 into I2 plus 80.62 at the angle 7.12 into I2, this is equal to 190.52 at the angle minus 90 degree. okay, now this one and this one. okay, so 80.62 at the angle minus 7.12. If this one multiplies this one, we got into 36.05 at the angle 56.3, we got, that is this one and this one, multiplication of this one, we got 10.148 at the angle 73.95 into I2. Okay, this is equal to 190.52 at the angle minus 90 into this one, multiplication of this one and this one, that is 0.281 at the angle 17.65 into 190.52 at the angle 30 degree. Okay, and we got, that is 53, that is plus minus minus plus 53.536 at the angle 47.65. Okay, so finally I2 is written as this one plus this one plus 190.52 at the angle minus 90, we got 155.20 at the angle minus 76.56 divided by this one minus this one, 80 minus 80.62 at the angle minus 7.12 minus 10.148 at the angle 73.95. Finally we got 79.67 at the angle minus 14.34. Okay, so finally 155.20 at the angle minus 76.56 divided by 79.67 at the angle minus 14.34, and we got, that is 1.948 at the angle minus 62.22. so we got, if this one is converted into, we got, that is 0.9079. okay, and minus j 1.72. okay, this one is I1 sorry, this one is I2. okay, so I2 is 0.9077 minus j 1.72. it is right answer corresponding to I2. okay, if this value put here in equation number 1 or equation number 2, then we got I1 then we got I1. okay, put here in this equation. okay, so first of all, I2 put here, I2 this equal to, finally we got, that is I2 also written as in the terms of phasor form, that is minus 62.22 ampere. okay, if this value put here, then we got I1. so I1 finally written as, if this one here and this one here, so we got 80.62 at the angle minus 7.12 into I2, that is 1.948 at the angle minus 62.22. Okay, minus of this one I'm going here and this one, so this one into I2, clear, minus 190.52 at the angle minus 90, okay, divided by 36.05 at the angle 56.3. Okay, now that is 80.62 at the angle minus 7.12 into 1.948 at the angle minus 62.22, okay, minus 190.52 at the angle minus 90, okay. This one is written as 70.489 at the angle 38.179 whole divided by 36.05 at the angle 56.3. So finally we got divided by 36.05 at the angle 56.3, and we got that is 1.955 at the angle minus 18.12. So I1 is written as, that is I1 is 1955 at the angle minus 18.12, and this one is written as, that is 1858 minus j 0.608, that is I1. Okay, this one is also correct. Okay, I1 I2 1.8, it is, you can say that is closer to 1.86 minus j 0.608, that is I1, or you can corresponding to here. Okay, now after that our motor line current, so IA is equal to I1, so I1 is 1.955 at the angle minus 18.12 ampere, clear. Now what about IC? IC is minus I2. Minus I2 means, what about I2? Like this one means 1 at the angle plus 180 or written as minus 180 into 1.948 at the angle minus 62.22. So we got 1.948 at the angle 180 minus 62.22, we got 17.78 ampere, that is IC. So IB this equal to I2 minus I1. I2 is 1.948 at the angle minus 62.22, and I1 is 1.955 at the angle 18.22. So finally we got answer, that is 1.948 at the angle minus 62.22 minus 1.955 at the angle minus 18.22, that is 1.462 at the angle minus 130.47. Okay, and this one is converted, we got minus 0.949 minus j 1.112 ampere. Okay, that is the line current. Clear? First of all, make it. All answers are correct. Okay, so make it.